was gonna end. Look, they ain't even got no juice, no nothing. Yo, that's all you gotta do is tell some motherfuckers that it's gonna be a snowstorm. Look, this is crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And the line is ridiculous. You think I'm gonna fucking stand online in this joint? Come on, man. This is crazy. You can't even get out of here. It's crazy. It's crazy, son. What? There ain't even no eggs up in this one. They putting out new eggs. Ain't no bread. This shit is stupid, son. Ain't gonna be nothing. Ain't shit gonna happen up in this motherfucker. Ain't no bread. The bread is gone. Yeah, this is the line.
It's the only line?
Nah, there's like 4 lines, but they're all like this.
Instead of going to school for 8 hours.
Crazy. Look at these lines. These people were shopping. Ain't nobody shopping. These are lines. This is crazy.
Okay, you want to drink?
Yeah, so much for a blizzard. Excuse me?
C'est la fête.
Excuse me?